In this video, I am going to show you how to troubleshoot game launch issues on Windows for Steam. 1. Clear Steam cache. Open the Run dialog and search for Steam //flashconfig into the Run dialog and press Enter. This will create the Steam cache. 2. Verify game files. Open the Steam and navigate to the problematic game in your library. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and then click on Verify Integrity of Games Files and wait for the process to complete. 3. Right-click on the game shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and then check Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimization. Click OK to save the changes. 4. Try to update your graphics drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Expand Display Adapters option and then right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the prompts to update your graphics driver. Next, check for some Windows updates or try to restart your computer, or if anything didn't work, try reinstalling the game. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.